Hi there, Tony here at STARLINE Windows. Today's Window Wednesday, I'd like to show you how to remove stubborn marks from your window and door frames. Now, I'll emulate some door marks here, some rub marks, but with a Sharpie pen, which is really stubborn, and also a Bic. Now, the best product to use that I found in my experience is Vim. Now, Vim is a great household cleaner, and it's great on your PVC vinyl frames, or even a powder-coated aluminum. So, put that on, let it sit in a bit there. A little bit on the Bic pen, a little bit on the Sharpie, and then what you just need to do is dab some on there and just a little bit of elbow grease, and it'll come right off. So let's do the Sharpie first. You just kind of rub it, and if you do have a stubborn mark that has some that's really deep and you've got some maybe fine scratches, it's a light gritted, really fine gritted sandpaper, like a 400 or more. So you don't scratch the frame, but you can actually remove the marks as well, or fine little scratches. So just a little bit more here. And always try to use a white cloth. I find that using a dark cloth, like a black one or a blue one, could actually stain the product that you're trying to clean. So always use white. Just rub that right out. And there you go, it comes right out. Now if you ever need to put a shine or a sheen back on your products after cleaning them, or you just want to make them look brand new again, one of my other great products is Pledge. So just a little bit of Pledge on a nice clean cloth. This one's got a little Vim on it. There's a dry spot. Give it a wipe, and there you go. And that's today's Window Wednesday tip from STARLINE Windows.